referral and treatment. The teachers were also trained by the school health staff and nutrition supervisors how to refer the student for further treatment to the hospital or the nurse or the BHU unit. Referral and treatment. After screening, if any problem was detected, if the teachers were able to identify and detect a problem because the symptom was there, the students are referred to health officer by concerned BHU. So there is a health officer which is running the basic health unit. So the teachers were trained how to refer the student who has some ailment or who has some symptoms of the ailment or sickness to be referred to the person who is in charge of the basic health unit, and that was called the health officer or the doctor who was available at the health unit. Health officers examine the referred students and provide treatment. So it is not necessary that always the symptoms which were told and identified by the teacher would be there. So it will also be the responsibility of the health officer or the doctor who is appointed there at the basic health unit to find out, examine. That is what he is going to do. He must do the examination first, because it's not necessary that the symptoms identify would be having the disease or the ailment that has been identified by the teacher. That it is good that the teacher is trained and she can refer the student to the hospital or the basic health unit. But it is also the responsibility of the doctor or the health officer to examine the child again and find out whether the referred students really need the treatment of that particular ailment, or he has some other ailment, or he does not have the ailment at all. So by looking at the student's card also, because it would be providing the history of the health of the student, the health officer or the doctor would also be able to find out more investigation. In case the student needs any specialized treatment, in case the case is more serious and the person who is sick needs some opinion from the specialized people or the treatment of a specialized unit in the hospital, then what happens is that the health officer refers him or her to the concerned specialty available at the nearest hospital. So that means it is a stage. First, the teacher has an indication, or the parents, if have the awareness, they know what is the ailment, or maybe just think these are the symptoms which can cause the ailment. Then they are referred to the basic health unit where there is a health officer or a doctor to take care of the student being referred by the teacher. The health officer's responsibility is to examine, and if there is a need, if it is more specialized a disease, then the child needs to be referred to some specialist and has to be sent to the nearest hospital wherever the specialist is available, so that the child is treated accordingly. So this was very successful in its stages where the child would be getting the proper care and treatment for that particular disease. And this was a practice which was being done by the school health program and the training provided by the school health staff and nutrition supervisors, which was in practice in Pakistan.